I have good news for you guys. I want to share with you the fact that I found a brand new and free app that pays a lot. In fact, they're paying out about $4 again and again, and the earning potential is unlimited. You're pretty lucky to have clicked on this video, and this will be the best day of your life. On this video, I will not let you down. You will learn the step-by-step process on how to use it properly and how to get paid from anywhere in the world. Also, remember that you don't need any technical skills or professional skills to earn with this method. All you need is just one device and an internet connection. Let's not waste any time, and I know you're excited, so what are we waiting for? Let's roll the intro! But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Mug Money, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Go ahead and like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Now let's go back to the video. Now this is basically how the app works. Step number 1, download the free app. Step number 2, we'll find different offers. Step number 3, you get paid. It's pretty simple, right? The application is absolutely free, but there's one simple mistake that a lot of people make, and because of that, they're not able to make that $2 every 10 seconds again and again. Because you actually have to use only one feature of this app if you want to make that work. I will share that later on, so stay tuned to see exactly how to set up the application properly and what that feature actually is. So this is the application that we will be using. This is the free app which you will be making money from. I suggest for you to not rush to the app to try and make money on your own, because that way it's not gonna work. You can only make a couple of dollars if you rush into the website. But if you stay until the very end and listen to everything I will say, you will actually double and you will earn with passive income. That's because there's one feature of this website. As I told you, it's gonna allow you to make $2 every 10 seconds again and again. I will show you how to set it up on complete autopilot, so you definitely want to stay tuned for that. Now this application is a cashback app. As you can see, you can get cash back on groceries and so much more. But don't worry, you won't have to do that. That's not how you will be making money with this app. That's a nice way you can save money or earn some extra cash, but it's not going to be your primary source of income. Anyway, so I want to show you that they got you covered with cashback on every purchases like groceries, apparel, travel, and online shopping. But before we continue the tutorial, I just have a quick interruption for you guys. I just want to ask where my viewers are from, because I know that those money-making online websites are sometimes not available in your country. And that is why I want to make a video that is specifically available in your country. So tell me in the comments down below where you guys are from. Now let's go back. You can just download this app and find offers from which you want to get cash back, and you'll get a real amount of money back to you. That's really nice, but once again, that's not gonna be what we're gonna focus on, because that's not how we're gonna make $2 every 10 seconds. Anyway, you can see that they're working with some massive brands like Expedia, Best Buy, Walmart, and so on. So this is a massive company to work with, and that's why they're paying us so much. So let's say you were shopping in Walmart. Now you can just pull up this application and save so much money and get so much cash back on every purchase you make. But I think that's only for the United States or top tier countries, so that's not worldwide. And that is why we're not focusing on that. So people are definitely saving a lot of money with this free app. As you can see, on every purchase you can get a cashback, which can be really nice. It's a nice way if you save some money on different offers and also get exclusive offers as well. Take a look at these numbers as well. They have cashbacked over $1 billion through their users. You can also see testimonials from people from all over the world that are saving money with this application. Okay, so the question is, how do you make $2 every 10 seconds without using the cashback feature? How will we make money off of this website? Well, all you have to do is download this application, which is called Ibotta. But if you're using a laptop or a tablet, you can go to the website, which is called home.ibotta.com. If you are using a laptop or a tablet, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website, and right underneath the Work with Us section right here, select Affiliates. So if you become a referral for Ibotta, you can make a lot more money. You can earn extra cash as an Ibotta affiliate partner, which will be paid $2 for every person that you offer. So every person that you send to this website gets a $20 sign-up bonus. You will get paid $2 for every person that signs up. For every 10 people, that's already $20 for you. Refer 100 and it's $200. For 1,000 people and it's $2,000. And so on and so forth. So every person you refer will make you $2, and I will show you how you can set it up on autopilot so you can get those signups every 10 seconds. I will show you how to set it up in literally less than 10 seconds and get to sign up again and again and again for basically unlimited times. Because this has no limit, and if you scroll a little bit down, you can see the real cash earnings their users have earned over $1 billion with their affiliate or partner program. Now, if you're wondering how you'll get paid, you can see that you'll get paid directly with their platform. $2 for every user referred directly from your website or social channels. And don't worry, you don't need to have a website for this, and you don't need any social media following. You can do this with even 0 Instagram followers, 0 YouTube subscribers, or 0 Facebook likes, or friends. It doesn't really matter because I'm gonna show you how you can set everything on autopilot for free. So after you come over to their affiliate page, click on Become an Affiliate right here, and that's gonna take you over to this page. You can see that if you refer someone to Ibotta through your referral link, if they just get the extension download, so they just download an extension to their computer or laptop, and you will be paid $2 for every registration. For every Ibotta application installment, you will also be paid $2. So whenever someone installs the app through your referral link, it'll make you $2. And it's a no-brainer to make someone sign up to this free app that can save them a lot of money and also can make them a lot of money. Because it's absolutely free. It's a lot easier to refer them to Ibotta other than to make them buy something through your affiliate link or to make them sign up to some paid offer or whatever. From this app, they will actually benefit a lot, and if they can save a lot of money and it's absolutely free to sign up, so why not? You can easily get a lot of registrations. Now, first of all, what you'll need to do is, you'll need to scroll down a little bit. You will need to complete the application. You can do so by entering your first name in this box, enter your last name, as well as enter a valid email address, and make sure it's a real email address that you're using, to which you can also sign in and see the emails, and it's really important. And then create a username for your account and create a password and then some details about yourself. Don't worry, you don't need to have a company for this. You can just enter your name as an individual. So you don't have to have a company. And for this website section, also don't worry, because you can just paste in the link of the platform that you will be using to get the traffic on autopilot. I will show you which platform we will be using as a traffic source, so you can just use that platform link and paste it in this box, then just select your country. It doesn't matter where you are in the world, you can even just install some free VPN like Proton VPN or NordVPN, download that to your computer, set your location to the United States and leave it like this. Then enter the street address and all the basic information about yourself. Scroll a little bit down, select how you want to get paid, and once you're done, just scroll all the way down and submit your application. Once you submit your application, if you get approved, you will receive your special referral link to which you can share with other people. Whenever someone clicks on it, they will be sent to Ibotta, where they can install it for free, and they can then save and earn some money, and you will get paid $2 for every registration. Now let me show you the traffic source that we will be using for your referral link. You can of course use any social media platform to promote your referral link. You can use Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, and so on, but I will be using Tendry.com. Tendry is a make money online forum. So you can come over to try this website and you can find a lot of people that are actually interested in making money online and also saving some money. So what you can do is you can share your referral link, provide some value, or share your referral link with these people, and they will be thankful and they will thankfully sign up through your referral link and make a few dollars before you're sending them to an absolutely free application that's gonna save them so much money and also potentially earn them some money. And it's free for them to sign up, so why not? Again, remember that all you need to do is you need to get approved to Ibotta for affiliate programs. Share your links through different social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and even YouTube. But I suggest for you to use Trendry.com so you can share your affiliate link successfully and you can refer someone into Ibotta easily. And that's how you can make money with affiliates. And that's it! If you liked the video and if you learned something, smash the like button for me and click subscribe! Don't forget the notification bell, okay? As always, if you have any questions, concerns, and comments, just go to the comment section down below. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!